Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to use JavaScript setInterval method. So JavaScript setInterval is a method which calls a function or it evaluates an expression after some specified interval of time. So in your JavaScript code, if you want to call a function after some specific interval of time, then you can use JavaScript setInterval method. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use JavaScript setInterval method. For this purpose, I'm going to use Notepad++ as my editor. So open your editor and add one button control. So add the HTML tag, HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. Then inside the HTML tag, add the head tag. After the head tag, add the body tag. So in the body tag, add one button control. On this button control on click event, I'm going to call a function after some specified interval time. So on click event, I am giving the name to the function as a my function. Now let's save this file. Press Ctrl S. Give the name to the file. I am giving demo.html. Then click on save. So in this way, we have saved the file. Now go to the head tag. In the head tag, add the script tag. So script opening tag and closing tag. So script type equal to text JavaScript. So inside the script tag, write one function. So write function. We have given the name of the function as a my function. Opening closing bracket, opening closing curly braces. And inside this function, we are going to use the setInterval method. So write setInterval, opening closing bracket, semicolon. Inside the opening closing bracket, write function, opening closing bracket, and then curly braces. So after this curly braces, give the comma and give the specified number of milliseconds. In my case, I am giving 2000 milliseconds. The 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second, means after the 2 seconds, the function will be called. And inside this setInterval method, I am giving alert. Hello guys. Then save this file. Now go to the location where your file is saved. Now open the file using some browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. And here you can see the button control. So if you click on this button control, here you can see the message, hello guys. So you will get this message after every 2 seconds. Here you can see we are getting the message after every 2 seconds of time. So in this way, you can call a function after some specific interval of time using the JavaScript setInterval method. And here is the code. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.